This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, everyone. So join the session quickly. So everyone join the meeting. Yashita, what do you want to ask? Related to class, we'll be solving doubts at the 7 o'clock. We'll start the class now. Regarding what doubts you have? What doubts you have, Yashita?
Ma'am, it was me, ma'am. So yesterday, I sent you the thing, the picture that I couldn't assign it, that doubt. I wasn't able to create customer creation, ma'am.
Okay, I'll show you once again. I told you also yesterday. I'll show you once again. Okay, just check it out. So I have shared the screen. Now it is visible to all. Is it visible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yashita has asked me one thing like assign she has not done. I'll show you once again what is that. Then I'll show you the vendor what is that customer invoice entries. But first you check once again. Those who have done, those who have not done also you see once again. I'm not going to create. I'm just telling the path how to solve this. Now I'll go to the SPRO, press enter, SAP reference IMG. So here I'll go to the financial accounting new accounts receivable and accounts payable. Okay, so customer account. Yashita, you can check it once if you have done. Financial accounting new financial account. So here accounts receivable and accounts payable. Customer account master data. Okay, click on this master data preparations for creating master data customer master data here define accounts with screen layout customer. So what we need to do here I have already created. I'll just show you. You need to click on new entries and you have to create. Already we have done yesterday. That only I'm going to show. What we have created, TACU. We have created TACU. So this is the domestic. If I'll show you, I have created like this accounts group TACU. Then domestic customer for TA51. Okay. You need to type like this and you have to click on company code data. In the company code data, you have to double click on accounts management and you have to click on required entries. Got it? Then you need to save this. Already data has been saved. This task has been done. Next, what we need to do, we have to create a number range. Okay. I think Yashita has created, but she forgot to assign. She has not assigned the number range to this one. So what is that? I'll just show you intervals. Anyone has remembered what number we have given? 52, I think. I'll just check it out. Display intervals. I have given 52 number range. This number range I have given, but I cannot show that. So how to do this number range? You have to go to the change intervals. Here intervals. Here you have to. I have given 52, and I have given some number range here from number to number. Okay. So likewise, you can save this data. Now the assign part, what is that? Assign number range to customer accounts group. So this step, I think Yashita has forgot that. So assign number ranges to customer account group. In this case, what you have to do, click on position, accounts group you have to give which you have created. TACU I have created. So I'll click on this. Now here you have to type the number range which you have created. Got it, Yashita? This you have to give here. Try to do this.
Oh, ma'am. So in the number range, you have to give the number that you have given.
Yes, you have what
Oh,
number
I
range
didn't
you
know
have
this.
created.
Okay.
That's what it's showing SI number range. At first, I did not see. After this, I saw your that's one photo. Then I saw that it is number range assign only. So here you need to assign. This will open. Need to type the number range what you have given. That you have to type and save. Then it will
Yes,
come.
ma'am. I'll
It
do
will
it.
take it.
Yes, ma'am. I got it. And then you
Got
need
it?
to do the customer creation, right?
Huh. Then only
Okay.
we have to go to the customer account. If you will not do this step, then you will stuck there. You will not able to proceed here. So we have created. First, you do this. Till that, we'll go to the customer account. So what is the path to create now document types? And it I have created yesterday document types also. Financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings new, document types and define document types for entry view. Click on this. We have to click on the positions and type DA. DA for document type. Click on this. And what we have, customer document. So double click on the customer document. The number is 16. Number range is what? 16 here. Number range is 16. So how to do this number range informations? We have to click on this and we have to give your TA51. Just I am revising yesterday class. So TA51, I'll give your change intervals. Already I have created 16 number range. I have already created. Okay, same way you have to create document number range for others like position DR. Click on this DR and click on this. So DR is for customer invoice, that is 18 number range. So number range informations, give the company code which you are using. Okay, TA51 my company code, and this also I have created 18 number range also I have created. Next is DZ. So what is the DZ? DZ is the number range for the document types, customer payment, 14 number range. So TA51 and this one intervals is 14 number range also I have created here. So back once and then what we need to do, this all has been saved. Now I have to create customer. So how to create customer? What is the T code? Yesterday I have sent one documentary file, one MS Word document. Have you checked that notes with this? Till customer creations I have given. What is the T code? What is the T code for customer creation? Slash n FD01. Yes, slash n FD01. That is called customer create initial screen. So this is not my company, so I have to use TA51. So you need to press enter. I have already created customer yesterday. So those who have not created, they can create like this. So I'll take your company, one more customer I'm going to create.
Ma'am, I'm
So
following you.
now,
Can you please go a little slow?
from where you are doing, document types have you created?
Yes, ma'am. I've assigned it. Now I'm doing the customer creation.
No, document types all you have created, DA, DR, DZ, all
Yes,
number
ma'am.
range
That
you
I
have created.
finished. That I
Okay.
finished.
Next you do slash n FD01.
Yes, ma'am. I'm in that part where you were typing the company,
Okay,
general
press
data.
enter.
Yeah, here.
I'll create one more here today, not a problem. Company. Okay. So name I'm giving Sonali Private Limited. Here I am giving postal code 560011. Janagar pin code you can give any place where you stay, that pin code you can give. But Bangalore pin code you give because I am doing for Bangalore city. Country IN reason is 10. Till this much you fill, then I'll tell you.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So you need not to press save. You have to click on company code data. Click on company code data and reconciliation account it will ask. So click on this and sundry data you need to select. Short key is 001, cash management A1. After this you can click on save. To click on save. So customer this one has been created in company code TA51. Understood, this all has been done. Now we can come back to this the screen. Now today's topic is
Ma'am,
customer
so should I do
invoice.
more like this or one is enough?
I have created three. You can create one more. At least two you
Okay, I will
create.
do. Okay.
So I'll open custom accounts this way. Next we are going to customer invoice. That is F-22. F-22. That is the customer invoice. Don't forget the T code. T codes all you need to practice. So we can go through this also, and from that also, from T code also we can do it, slash n f-22. So we can give enter customer invoice. So if I'll show you navigation wise, so accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, this is invoice general, document entry F-22. This T code must you should prepare. You should not forget any T code, whatever I am taking classes and all. So F-22. So enter the customer invoice. So what we need to do here, everyone you do it here, document dates. Document dates. Okay. So here we have to click 6. Company code you need to give here, TA51, currency INR. So after this accounts, what I am saying today will complete this accounts customer part. Tomorrow I'll be teaching you one small concept. Thursday and Saturday, one more time you have to do from the beginning. Thursday at least one more from the beginning you can do, those who have not done, because there is a lot of time is there. So we can do once again where is in stocks or something, so you can clarify this. So posting keys, now the question is what I want to enter in the accounts. Now the questions I am going to tell you that it is all about sales account. So here you have to click on this, which is our traders. My question is goods sold rupees 5,000 to Jayashree traders. So I have a three traders, Jayashree, Priyam and Sonali. Okay. So the my question is for the Jayashree traders will be, see here posting key is 01. Now my question is what is the posting key for vendor line items? What is the posting key for vendor line items is 31. For customer it is 01, and this is a credit entry is what I am going to do now. So generally how you will pass, this is debit entry, sorry, how you will pass the entries if the question is goods sold worth rupees 5,000 to Jayashree traders. So what will be the answer for this? So my questions I'll type here. For this, what will be the answer? Journal entries. what will be the journal entry for this? Hmm? Anyone? No one is answering. What happened? I'll tell you two things here. This is a general invoice for the customer, and this is what I'm going to do. It is a enter customer invoice. Okay, there is a one more options. You can see FB70, which is looking like a vendor account. We'll do both the cases. What is that? That is for advance payment. You can do now the customer invoice instead of F22. We can do in FB70. So actually, the question is, I have two questions here. Just like here credit, suppose I'm going to the accounts receivable is there. If I'll go to this, see create, we have done. Now general invoice is this one, just like voucher entries and all, but I am going to do customer invoice. So what I have to use here, FB70. Understood students? We'll do both one. First we'll do the invoice entries, TA51. Okay, now it will ask you the customer. Click on this and press enter. Jayashree Traders I am taking. So this is the customer. Invoice date is what date? Invoice date is 6. Okay. Amount. Everyone getting this? Everyone getting this? So that will be amount I have to type. Amount is how much? 5,000. I'm going to sell 5,000. GL account. Here GL account what will be there? GL account will be, tell me what I should select here GL account. Who can answer me what I should select here? Yes, I need to select sales account here.
Ma'am, can
Okay.
you go a little slower? My software is lagging.
Ma'am, can you show the previous step?
FB70. Type in the T code bar slash and FB70. You will get the screen. 70. FB70. Vendor was FB60. This is 70. So you will get enter customer invoice screen. So in that case, you have to give the company code, then only you will get the screen. Did you got the screen?
Ma'am, it's very slow today. I don't know why.
What happened today?
Don't know, ma'am.
Why
The
it is
I
software is
don't
slow?
know, ma'am.
really slow today.
Software is very slow.
How?
I don't know if it's only for me or for everyone, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's the same for me as well.
Check your internet connections once. Is it done? So we can proceed for this. 5,000 you need to put there. So finished. So we'll press enter. So business area it is asking, we need to press this one, enter. So after this you need to save this. This document has been posted. 6,000 was posted in company code. Any student has done this? Anyone has done this? Who has completed? Let me know. Those who have done, put a thumbs up. No one has done till yet.
And the software
What?
is very
Could
slow.
you please do it again?
I can do it, but why the software is slow? My question is there only. Yesterday we have done.
No idea, ma'am. It was working normally till yesterday.
Do one thing.
Today it's
Suspend
so
the.
slow.
What is that? Suspend the guest and reopen once again. So I'll do one more time invoice entries. You can see here. So I am in SAP AZ Access. So F hyphen sorry slash n FB70 slash n FB70. So you need to give your company code. After this will display enter the customer invoice company code what you have given that will display. Here you will need to click. Same is like vendor only. You have to press enter. So I am taking now Priyam Traders. In that case, I am giving the posting date 6. Amount I am giving 6,000. And here GL account I have to select sales account. So amount I am giving here 6,000. Till this, any doubts you have? You have to give customer account what we have created, invoice date, this posting date you have to give. Then we have to enter the amount. Then we have to enter jail account. Amount you should press 6,000. Till this everyone you do.
Ma'am, after this, should we click enter?
Yes, press enter. So it should be tick mark. It is asking business area. Just give your business area. Where the cursor is blinking, there you give and save. So before save, you have to just post it. So here that picture you have to send me. Document 6001 has been posted. Like this it should display. And how to send this? Now I'll tell you how you will send the customer invoice. We have a display options where in the document we have a display FB03. Now the invoice first is invoice my 6,000. Okay. So here I'll give 2024. Press enter. So you can see the customer invoice I have entered for Jayashree. So those who have entered, you can send the pictures. Customer invoice if you have entered, send the screenshot over here. So display document view you will get where it is FB03. Display document after entered you have to press display document. Customer invoices slash and FP70 and display document is
For me, it says control area, my company code defined without currency, but my currency is given.
I have not given any currency only. It is automatically taking.
Exactly, ma'am. Exactly, ma'am. It was already given, but it says here that control area defined without currency.
Why it is happening? Yesterday you have sent the screenshot. Someone has did like this. Okay. So FB03. Try this once time is there. I will check it out. Okay, done. Like this, how many traders you have created? For that one entries you do it. Then I'll tell you how to display line items on this. Those who have not done, do it.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, I was doing the customer invoice thing, and down
Hmm.
it says the number range 18 is missing for the year 2024. So what
How?
went wrong? Yeah. Did I miss something, ma'am? It,
Send the screenshot. I'll check it out once.
yes.
But till today we are entering now. How it will display then? In company code, the number range 18. Huh, your number range 18 is missing. I'll tell you what is the number range. I'll show you once again. See that. I'll exit from this. It is in the document types. You have not saved, I think. I'll check it out. I'll go to the SPRO, SAP reference IMG,
Ma'am, go slow, ma'am, so
financial.
that I'll do it with you.
One second, I'll tell you that document types you have not assigned so only. So financial accounting global settings where document you have created document types. 18 number range you have not done. That's what. So I'll check it out. DR for customer invoice. Yes, this you have not done. You understood where
Ma'am,
it
I
is.
think I did it, ma'am. Okay,
You
but
check
I'll
it
redo it.
once.
Probably I didn't save it or something.
You did not save, I think. That's what it's not taking for you. Check it once. Go to the
Yes, ma'am.
financial accounting view. So did you check this? So you have to check the DR question. DA is okay. DA is customer document, which is number range is 16. It is showing 18 number range. So click on positions DR. You should check it out. So double click on the customer invoice. It is showing 18. Do not change anything. And number range information. Here you give your company code. Click on change intervals. Acha, you check it. How to check? Display intervals. You go. You see that 18 number range has been created or not. Maybe you have given mistakenly wrong here or something. Then you need to delete that. Can you show me the screen? Can you send the screenshot? Display number
Yes,
range
ma'am.
intervals.
Display
So
number
I
range.
yes.
Okay.
How? You check it here. Here you are giving company code. No, here it is display intervals. Before creations, you can check what you have created already. So click on this. You see that 18 has been created and the year is correct or not.
Ma'am, the 18 is not there in mine.
Then it is not created. How it will come?
Create.
So
Okay.
you create it now. What you will do? You have to click on change intervals. Intervals. Here you give 18, 2024 and type some number, anything like 3000 which you have not used. But 18 is must. 18 and year, that should be more. And here you can give the 6000, which number range you have not used, that you can give on this. See this, I have given 1000, I have used 2000, I have used, so I have given 6000. You can give 6000 or 7000 to 799, you can give. I have given sequentially, so it is like that. 7000 I have not used. First create this and save. Then it will take. Once it has been done, you can send it out here.
Yes, ma'am, I did it.
I have mentioned if you have done, send this you have done. If you have done, send this. So what you will do, this screenshot you send me. So I'll get to know all the number range has been created or not. 0, 1, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This all has been created or not. This screenshot, students, this screenshot you send, those who have created all number range for the customers, particular the screenshot you can send, maintain number ranges interval. So this is called display interval. How to take the screenshot? You need to go any of the number range information, give this company code and display intervals. Take this screenshot and send it out.
Ma'am, for me, it's again showing control area defined without currency. What do I do, ma'am?
Ma'am, it shows the same for me as well.
What is displaying for you?
Ma'am, it says control area defined without currency.
I am not finding out. If you send a screenshot, then only I'll get to know. Yashita, your problem has been solved? Put yes if you have done.
Ma'am, I finished that, but it shows the same like how it is showing it for the
How it
other
will be
person.
displaying. I have sent the
Control
screenshot.
area defined without
Control
currency.
area, I'm not getting. Send this, I will get to know what is the control area it is showing. I'm not finding out where is the control area, why it is displaying. Any other click things you have clicked out? This error message I have never got. Are you trying to enter the currencies there? Hmm?
No, ma'am.
Are you trying to enter the currency there? Do not
No,
enter.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Why it is displaying
could
for
you
you like
once
this?
show us could you once show us again how you did it? What if we're making some mistake?
No, from where I so I am there only. I'm not getting how it is coming for you. Because control area, there is no such thing. Have you enabled any other things and all?
Ma'am, we don't have an option saying document type customer invoice.
How?
I mean, I don't have it. I don't know about Yashita.
What you don't have?
It, it's not displaying document
Customer
type.
invoice. See here, I don't know which things you are following. There is a two document types is there. See, financial accounting. I'll tell you first see this. Financial accounting, general ledger accounting. This is business transactions. This is different. Okay. So in this also one more document types will come. One second, I'll tell you that. Document. Here this is the different part. Okay. Document posting period. This we have done in the before. Document types how it will not display for financial accounting new. Financial accounting global settings new documents. I have done for Yashita also. So here we have a document types. How you will not get the screen. What SAP software I am using the same SAP software is given to you.
Ma'am, you told us to use the
So
code
Yeah,
FB70, no, ma'am?
yeah. I used the T
huh.
code, ma'am.
No,
Same,
this
ma'am.
is if you this you have used. Did you created all these document types?
Yes, ma'am.
D8, DZ, DZ. Okay. So
Yeah, yeah.
FB70 you are not getting. It is in the screen itself. FB slash and FB70. So directly it will come. You have to give the company code for that. Then automatically it will come. If you want navigation wise also, I'll show you. Different navigation wise. Here it is. You can go through the path. Accounting, SAP Easy Access, accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, document entry, first one only. FB70. Don't stuck there, do it once again. Exit from the screen and try once. If you stuck there, it will not be taking. You have to exit from the screen and then re-enter once.
Can you open the FD70 page once, ma'am?
So this is asking for you. Company code is asking TA51.
Ma'am, could you go to the page? Because I want to show you what option we are missing out. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Under posting date, there's an option called document type, no, ma'am.
Why you are selecting that? You need not to touch on this, Snehashri.
No, ma'am.
Nothing you have to
No, ma'am.
do. Here you have to do.
Got it, ma'am. I know. I'm saying that that entire option is only not there for us.
This one is not
Yeah,
displaying for
that
you customer
entire,
invoice. One second,
it's
I'll
not.
check in the screen. 1 minute, I'll check it. What is displaying? I have not checked. Uh, okay, that is not displaying for you. Document types. That means your document types is not. Yes, your document types is not displaying here. How it is possible? For vendor, it was displaying yesterday, right? But if you have
Yes,
created
ma'am.
document types, that options how it will not display. Yes, you are not finding the options
Ma'am,
only,
even it
correct?
isn't displaying it for me as well.
But how any editing, any settings you have changed it out?
No, ma'am.
No,
I
ma'am.
haven't
Just
changed
a
any
minute.
settings.
Just a minute. I'll check it out. Acha, one thing you do in the click on edit options in the top and see whatever
Ma'am, could
things
you
is
show
tick mark.
again where to click?
I have not done any changes. You click on this edit options. Click on this. See this my pointer. Click on edit option. Maybe solve you can do there. Um, See whatever tick mark is there. Check it out. And local
Ma'am,
currency.
we haven't ticked the no company code proposal.
Where?
The one which is on the right hand and the ones which are in
No,
the
no, no.
left,
You
those
set
haven't
like
ticked
this.
yet.
What I am saying, you set
Okay.
like this, which is tick mark is there, and which is not there. If tick mark is there, remove. And you only this three things, four things has to enable. Check it out. Maybe here the settings will be there, but it cannot be changed. How will it change? Because you are not knowing how to
Ma'am,
do this.
three of these options haven't been selected for us. I mean, for me.
What I'm saying,
Yeah, the same
Snehashri,
thing.
you check it out. This is click, and this is local currency. Sometimes it will happen. So you have to check the
Okay,
settings. This
ma'am.
is called account. Click on the tick
Okay,
mark
ma'am.
and just save it. It will come, I think. One day it's happened for me also, but I have not gone to this place. But I checked it and I found it. My invoice was displaying. Please do
Ma'am,
that
on the
and check
right,
it out. Right side local currency should enable and default company code it should be tick mark. How it is looking my screen same to same you set it out and save and check now is it displaying or what. Here one option is there document types will be displayed. See here one option is there. Maybe this is the problem I think. Document types will be displayed. Is it okay? Is it enabled for you?
no, ma'am, we have to enable it.
No, it is already enabled for me. Just first option you select. What I am saying, every navigation you set it, then you click on save and check it in the invoice. So have you done this? Set it out and then save. I'll send the screenshot of this so everyone will get to know this.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's coming.
Visible? Okay, done. No, one day actually it's happened for me also. It is not like it's a long back. 1 year back when I was taking class, suddenly it was not appear for me. Now I got to find. So I have checked with the edit options and we can got it. Now for everyone it is coming. See it came document types. customer invoice, automatically it will display for you. Okay. If it is displayed, then it is correct. See your customer payments, all this thing. Need not to do anything. Any changes you don't do. Let it be customer invoice. And re-enter once again and check it out. Your customer invoice is displaying or not. Is it came for you? Document types. Snehashri.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you post the entries. How I shown you. Customer you select. Invoice date you do. So I'll just send this. So everyone will get to know this. I'll send the screenshot so will be everyone will get to know that how it is coming.
Again it says control area defined without currency.
Local currency only we are using. Why it will come like this? Where you have currency, some things you have done. I think I have to check. It's very difficult to find out where you have done. Currency you should not enter only. Currency is already default, it will take. So who has done invoice, check once if it is coming, it's okay because there is only one options. There is no other options to set here. Same message is displaying for you. Did you press enter after this? You have not pressed
I
enter.
did press enter, ma'am. When I pressed enter only it shows that error.
Snehashri, after filling all this GL account,
Yes, ma'am. I pressed enter, and when I pressed enter, all this error came for me.
invoice FB60 and check it out it is taking or what. If not, then you have clicked out somewhere else.
Ma'am, could you repeat what you said?
No, vendor invoice once you do entries like accounts payable, no? So vendor already you have, okay? So to do FB60, I'll see the same error is displaying or different because it is all about currency only. So only I'm asking. Instead of customer invoice, you do for vendors. Slash n, come back to the SAP Easy Access screen and put slash n FB60.
One second, ma'am.
Other students, anyone has other doubts? Anyone has other doubts except this?
Ma'am, I came to the invoice page, so should I fill something there?
You should fill
Okay.
customer invoice. Select the customer, give the invoice date, put the amount. Here you have to select GL account, sales account. Your document types is displaying for you customer invoice. So do it.
Ma'am, it
And
displays, but it still shows the same error that the currency is not defined.
but I'm not finding out because yesterday only you all student has sent vendor invoice. What changes you have done? How can I find out? Because I have not done any changes. How I taught yesterday, same things I am doing here. Asha, in this top, did you check any changes you have done? It should be invoice. In the top, anything I'm not finding your screen. It's invoice only. But why it is taking like this? Do one thing. You click here and take a pictures and send it. See, you have done wrong. How it will display for you? You both the students are doing wrong. This is vendor not. This is a customer invoice. Customer invoice is FB70. Your is vendor is displaying the bigger mistakes. Slash N FB70. Are you doing vendor invoice or customer invoice?
Customer invoice only, ma'am. Ma'am, now you told me to do vendor invoice to check if I am getting the same error. No, ma'am. I'm not getting the same error. It's taking my.
Yeah.
No, no, no. What I am saying for you, that is okay. You are able to do vendor invoice, not a problem. What I am saying for customer invoice, you just take that point and send me the screenshot. I am telling how I am showing in the screen like this. She has sent me for vendor. Okay, vendor is happening. Okay, no problem. Customer, what's the problem? I'm finding out. Why you are not getting for the customer? That is the questions. For customer, it is showing customer payments and all.
Ma'am, could you once create and show us to, and we'll check if we're making any mistakes.
Ma'am, for the customers, we are getting whatever you have it on the screen. I just sent you a picture.
But why your currency problem that I am asking you? Because everything is okay. Okay, you follow this. I'll see in this way, but you need to solve this. Why? Because every steps we have done correctly. Today I revised also from beginning also. Beginning means from customer starting only. I told you there is no changes in the what I created number ranges. All this thing. Okay, we'll see what can be done. If vendor it is accepting, vendor invoice are you able to enter? Vendor invoice are you able to enter? Slash and F hyphen 28. Okay. Well, just one payment will do and we'll check it out. Because we cannot stop the class. So just take it out. Accounts data. This is same procedure, students. How we do vendor payment like this. So we need to select your bank account. ICICI Bank I'm selecting. Amount is 5,000. For Jayashree Traders, I have given 5,000. Account type Jayashree Traders. Value date field. Okay. So 6. So it's taking. Then I need to post this because I have not made any changes according to this, but I'm not finding out for you why it is taking on the thing.
Ma'am, I have also followed exactly how you told,
I
ma'am. I have
understood,
not
but
made
I
any changes.
cannot be there. No, maybe you have clicked somewhere else or something like this. Just remember where you have done any currency you have given somewhere else, because yesterday nicely you have done that, but today why the error is displaying? Because procedure is almost same. Procedure is almost same, only it is opposite of that. Document is posting here. Check from the beginning once. Beginning means not company creations. Check from this customer part. Once again, you go and check it out. From SPRO screen, you have to check it out. Maybe you have missed out something. Preparations for vendor master data. Define accounts with screen layout. Here you check once. It's like accounts group I have given TACU. From accounts group you also check it out. Because there is no other options to find out this. It should be required entries. Check once from the beginning and let me know. Assign number range we have solved because the error is displaying. But the problem is why it is displaying as a currency. Okay, let's take slash n FD01. In the customer creations time, maybe you have done some mistakes. Check it out anywhere you have done any payment transactions or something, so you clicked it out or something. You need to check it on.
Ma'am, how do we check it?
No, I'm not finding where you have done this. So slash and FD, because all procedure almost same what we did, only opposite of this. Here customer invoice document domestic customer. What accounts group is showing for you? Which accounts group we have created is it showing for you?
Ma'am, I didn't
FD01.
understand.
The account group, whatever.
FD01. Maybe in the customer creations time you have done some mistakes. Check it out, I am telling.
How do we check it, ma'am?
You have to go and create one more customer in that case, because we cannot check, but you can go and create one more customer. FD01 slash and FD01, create one new customer. Accounts group you see, and don't give any customer number. Just give company code and press enter. Create a new customer. Will see that. You got the screen? Press enter. Create a new one. Title is company. Name you give any customer name. Postal code, city, country, region, all these things you fill. Till this much you fill. After this, you need to enter this here. What is that? Other things not required. Just you select company and here you give the number. Okay, English already selected. Nothing you have to change here. Only one you have to give name, postal code, city, country, region. Create this and click on company code data. I think you have pressed enter this time, maybe for that. So do not press enter. Just fill the data and click on company code data.
Ma'am, after company code data, what do we do?
There you have to fill. If you click on company code data, I have to fill here. No? I have shown already. Check it out.
Yes, ma'am. So reconciliation account, we
Ha,
fill
you have
with
to give the
sundry
sundry
debtor.
data. Yes.
Then sort key
And
zero
then,
zero one.
yes, then down cash management is A1. Then you save it and see your customer is able to create or not.
Ma'am, the customer has been created for me.
Just a minute, I'll check once. Can you share the screen now? Can you do it in front of me?
Yes, ma'am. One
Okay,
second, ma'am.
because once you, I'll stop the sharing because there is no new topic. Topics is over. Now, can you share so I can suggest you how to do this? Okay. So I'll just stop sharing. Who want to share? Snehashri will
Ma'am,
share.
I'll share. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay,
one second,
anyone
ma'am.
you
I'll
see.
log in through my laptop. Enable Snehashi KB, ma'am. I'll log in through my laptop.
But
Ma'am, I have
now
one more
you're
doubt. After finishing that cash management group as A1, should I save it or should I click
save.
enter?
No, no, you should not enter. You should click on save.
Okay. Okay. So in that page, I need to only change reconciliation account, sort key, and cash management group, right?
Yes. Then you
Okay.
click on save. Down you will get the message customer this number has been created. Your customer account has been
Yes,
created. You
ma'am.
can get the
My
message.
customer has been created.
Okay. Now what I'm saying, either Yashita or Snehashri, anyone wants to
Ma'am,
share the screen, you can share. I'll
can you
stop this
enable
my
Snehashri
screen.
KB?
Yes, I'm stop the sharing now. I'll just enable you. Snehashri KB. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now can you share the screen? Because in picture I'm not finding out the where is the mistakes is happening.
Ma'am, can you see the screen?
It is visible now. Slowly it's coming. Wait. But that software is not displaying here. Now it is displaying. Okay. Give your company code. Okay. Fine. Enter customer invoice company code. Now click on the customer. Press enter. Enter key. Direct press enter. Nothing will happen. Yes. What is displaying? I'll check it out. This is your customers and all. First one you select. Double click on the first one. Yes. Now click on invoice date. Select that. Yes. There you select. Today's date you select. Double click on the 6th. Okay. Next come to the click on the amount. Type any 5,000 or something. Okay. Click on the GL account. Yes. Select there. Press enter. Now select sales account. We have created sales account. Sales account. I think I have to check in FS double zero. Double click. Put the amount there. Same amount you put. Okay. Just press enter. Okay. So I think there is a FS double zero. You have to check it out. So do one thing. Exit button is there. Click on exit. Next one. That yellow color. Yellow color. Exit from the screen. Close this. Go to the slash and FS double zero. I want to see the sales. I think there is a some problem is there. Slash and FS double zero. Okay. So show me income. Sales account have you created? Sales account under which group we have created? Yes.
Under
Double click
income,
there.
ma'am.
Do one thing. Click on display. Select that and click on display. Select that. One SPAC symbol is there. No, that is display. Uh, yes. Sales account. Okay. Income. See. Okay. Profit and loss account. Go to the control data. Click on control data. I'll check it out. Shortkey 001. Okay, fine. Go to the create bank interest. What you have given, I'm not seeing. Z001 you have given. What
Yes,
is the field
ma'am.
status group? Okay. Okay. Then you go back to the Sunday data. That is on assets you have created. Okay. Click on the asset folder. Okay, Sunday data account display for me. Click this and display option you go. Show me types and descriptions, control data, all these things. Click there. Assets, Sunday data account. Okay, control data. There is a mistakes in control data. What I'm saying. Click on this. Click on that. Uh, Customer. Okay. Indian rupees. What is displaying there? INR is displaying.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Create bank interest. G067 you have selected or what?
Yes, ma'am.
But where is the mistakes then? Everything is correct. Why it is displaying for you? Okay, we'll check it out by tomorrow. Let me do why this error is displaying and
Ma'am,
I'll
it
try to
talks
solve
about
this.
credit control area, no, ma'am.
Hello, it is not credit control area, Sneha. It's a control area it is displaying. Credit control area you have
Okay,
not
ma'am.
created, so how can you do this much? Yes, you will not able to do if you are not created. It is in some customer part only. Some mistakes are there because when you are doing vendors, you are able to do means there is a problem in the customer sections. It is not about credit control area. Okay, one thing I can check it out. Just to come back to the slash n. Type in the T code bar /n and press enter. Come back to the SAP Easy Access screen. So you can check it out one more thing. That is the last final LC /n OB A4 or A3, which is for tolerance group. /n OB A3. Enter. We'll see what is display. Okay, tolerance group. No, change tolerance group for vendors. Okay, click on position. Give your company code. Click on enter. Is it created? Is it created?
No, no, ma'am.
The name is not displaying.
No, ma'am.
Company code that is not displaying on the screen. Then how you entered
Ma'am,
vendors then?
company code is displaying, ma'am, but there's nothing under tolerance group or name.
Okay, that company code which is displaying, double click on that. Where is your company code? Double click on that. Huh. Double click. I'll just check because it's a one-time creations only. We cannot create for separately for customer. Double click there and I'll see what is displaying there. For vendors and customer, one tolerance group only. Okay, here there is a mistakes. Company code is displaying okay, but down what currency who has entered that? I have not entered anything there. Hmm?
Do I remove that, ma'am?
Okay, do one thing. You cannot remove. I'll show you once. Close this. Close your screen. I will just show that. I think there is the mistakes here. Okay. So I'll show you once again. Wait, I'll show you that. I think there will be the mistake. Slash and VA3. So here I'll give VA. If you need automatically displaying or what, I'll check it out once. It is automatically displaying. You cannot change also. Here there is no editing options. Mm, let me solve by tomorrow. Okay. I will check it out your screenshot. I'll
Yes,
see
ma'am.
where is the mistakes there. Every students are getting like this or those who have done? Any few students has entered today? Yes, tell me. Yeah, Shita and Snehashri are getting this issues. What about others? Hmm?
I did
What
it,
about
ma'am.
others? Who has done?
Pavitra.
Who is answer? Send your picture if you have done. I think there is a mistakes in
I sent in the
Yashita and
group, ma'am.
Sneha. I have not got this. Send once again, Pavitra.
Yes, ma'am.
What about Palak? Any more student has done? Send the screenshot. I'll rectify the problem which Yashita and Snehasri is getting. I'll check it out and we'll solve by tomorrow. And those who have entered this invoice, send once again. Payment entries I'll teach you one more time tomorrow. If you have done payment, okay. If not done, I'll show you once again. So what I am saying, Pavitra has sent. Okay, Pavitra, you have to do this one, payment entries. So payment entry for this F-28, this is called incoming payment. Try it now. Give the document date, today's date. Here you give this one, company code, and currency you need to type INR. Here it is mandatory to fill. And accounts you can select, that is a bank account, ICICI Bank. Okay, amount how much you have given, you say put that, and value date. This is 6,000. You have entered me 6,000. Value date in the accounts type you need to put the party ledgers, debtor party. Okay, and just process the open items and save.
Ma'am, can you
Do it
repeat the T
for
code?
T code F-28 slash N F-28.
Okay, ma'am.
Try it now. I'll be for next 3 minutes. So bank data, bank account you have to select. Amount is 6,000. And here open item selection you have to give the which traders you have given, that traders you have to select. You have given this one, blue traders. No, so blue traders you need to select. After pressing this, I'll tell you how to what is that, display line items. I'll tell you.
Ma'am, after typing account, should we say?
This you have done, Pavitra, open item selection.
Yes, ma'am.
Here you have to select like this. This is suppose the traders. Okay, so you select, then click on process open items. and see one more screen will come. Then you directly save this. That screenshot you have to send where you have done document posted. One more type of posting is there, that is F-22, that I'll be teaching you tomorrow. So once post has been done, send the screenshot, and once more we'll solve this doubt of Snehashri and Yashita, and we'll continue that. Tomorrow anyhow we have to solve that doubt. That problem has to, what has been done, that will be solved, and then we can proceed for the new one. So is it done, Pavitra? We'll close the sessions today.
Yes, ma'am, I finished. I sent you in the group.
Okay. So those who have faced problem today will solve it out by tomorrow. Okay. That's all for the day, students. And see the recordings 5th of August we have sent, and today's recordings also will be getting by tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am.
We'll solve it, Snehashri. Don't worry about this. We'll solve it. Tomorrow we'll solve.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bye bye, students.